Hey guys, hi. This is Hira Ansari, and this is my theme, HiraPro WordPress theme. And this theme is basically specifically catered for web developers or professionals, SEO experts, digital marketing experts, and um, agencies can also utilize it easily. So the images are, if you are going to decide you are planning to use the same images, so these are for normally these are for one person, but if it's an agency you can change them according to your agency requirements. And this theme is has so many features. Like you can see, this is a very cool gradient effect in the banner and wavy borders, and this gradient can be changed easily to any color you want, easily from right from your WordPress customization panel. You can select any two colors, get for the gradient shade, and it will in seconds it will change all the colors of your theme according to your selected color. All these headings, button colors, these icons colors, these gradient colors, all these will be changed in a second. So it's very cool, and you can see this is very clean and bug free theme. This is a gradient, sorry, this is a hover effect grid gallery section, and this is follow me section with tabs. You can click on, if you will click, you will this will lead you to the Skype, to the lead the visitor to their Skype, and it will ask to add you in the Skype, in their Skype. So it there are, this is click to call web.whatsapp button, and this is also WhatsApp call button. This is Skype chat or click to call, and this is, there are around 10 templates, testimonial. Here you can add more blocks, testimonial blocks for of your clients easily. The blocks are saved in your template section, elementor step template section. This is single service, and this is custom post type created for single services. This is single portfolio page. This is also a single the custom post type, so you will easily separately manage your portfolio pages, services pages, video pages. So these all are, all three custom post types I am providing with my theme. And this is we are on portfolio page, single portfolio. You can use different pages for your different types of portfolio work. This is all video page. Here you will here in this page you will show all the videos of your library, and clicking on them you will go to the single video page. Here you can see the subscribe to YouTube channel. So this is also, this button is generated from YouTube development page, so I will create one for according to your channel ID. This is sidebar, video sidebar. This is created with shortcode, customized loop shortcode for the custom post type. This is a section for any advertisement banner of your company, your services, or any other third party if you want, you are going to monetize your website. this this is blog page, all blogs. So if you have not added any thumbnail of for your featured web image in your post, it will show the icon as a background placeholder image. This is another advertisement section for in the sidebar, and these are categories aligned inlined in the on the top. This is your author page. This text will cover all the line. And this is your single post page. This is contact page. Sorry, this is the contact page. This is a detailed quotation form. You can change it to a simple short form. This is another quotation form for hourly jobs, or you can customize it according to your requirement and your skill sets. This also have save and continue letter feature. This is catered with gravity forms, and the gravity form license key will also be activated with your theme. So this theme will be we will provide this in the given price for single website, single domain. So whenever we will have any update, so we will update it on the domain that we have listed in with the license key we have provided to you. So it will be for single domain. So if you want to install it on multiple domains, you will have to buy it separately. And we will also give you setting services, provide you setup services with this domain. So if this website theme, so this is all. This is the about page. Here you can add your certifications. This is any portfolio slider. Here you can add your long image. You can keep this blank or add anything if you want. This is blog page. If you want to move delete any sidebar widget, you can delete it right from the sidebar section, widget section in the WordPress. And the category archives are also aligned, so no page is uh, unset. You can see everything is well managed. This is the 404 page. It is also showing post categories and links here and search box. Thank you.